From Snow Holistic Health. Today we're here at Rikenjaks. We're starting our Facebook Live 4-part series letting you know how easy it is to eat keto in the Lake area. So Miss Adriana is going to share with you a little bit of information about the keto diet just in case you're not really familiar with what it is.
Alright guys, so the ketogenic diet has gained a lot of popularity in the past few years and sometimes getting a bad rap due to the high fat consumption, but it has been around for about 100 years, used to treat certain health conditions. Dr. Snow's Ketabolic Reset focuses on healthy fat consumption and how you can follow a ketogenic diet in a very healthy way and making it a sustainable lifestyle change. Dr. Snow, can you share with us some of the health benefits of the ketogenic diet?
Sure, excellent. So we're at Rikenjaks again. They have great keto options here. So we've seen some really amazing benefits to the ketogenic diet. The biggest thing is that most Americans are just over consuming sugar. The latest stats say that we eat about 120 pounds of sugar a year. And so what's going on is a lot of the disorders and diseases that we face today are from metabolic breakdown. So when you go onto the ketogenic diet, you're actually getting off of sugar and you're teaching your body to get fat adapted and burn fat for fuel, so that tremendously lowers blood glucose and tremendously lowers insulin, which allows your appetite hormones to normalize, energy levels go up, inflammation drops, brain function goes up as well, and people can lose a lot of weight and that stubborn body fat, but also maintain their muscle mass. And so we've seen people on the Ketabolic Reset program lose anywhere from 30 pounds, 50 pounds to 70 pounds and just totally transform their health and transform their lifestyle. So we're very excited about the ketogenic diet and what it can do. We just want to teach people about it and show you where you can get some good food options here in town. Your food, what are you eating?
Okay, so I ordered the Redfish Rikenjaks. It does come with a plate of rice. I left that off because that's high carb. I also left off the fondue sauce on top because I avoid dairy. But I did get a side of chipotle with it, chipotle mayo. It's topped with grilled shrimp, and I have a side of broccoli. And then we have another dish here. This is Miss Katie's lunch. She's our cameraman today. She got the hardhead burger. It looks really good, guys. She left off the bun. It's got mushrooms. Mushrooms keep you really full. And bacon on top, a side of chipotle mayo with broccoli. Melanie, what'd you get?
I got the Chuck Vegas burger. I opted out with the bun as well as the cheese for a non-dairy option. I opted out of the fried pickles and then put it on top of a house salad with chipotle mayo. So it looks really good. Dr. Snow, what are you enjoying today?
Yeah, so what I have here is I have a side of broccoli. So I'm getting my greens. The greens and the broccoli actually help your liver with detoxification, which is good on the ketogenic diet. I have guacamole. Most keto people do eat lots of avocados. That's a real fun thing about the ketogenic program. And then we have some bacon and lettuce and a real nice chipotle sauce here. Hey, if you want to lose weight, get out of pain, get more energy, you should really check out the keto program. I'll let Melanie tell you about that.
Yeah, we offer a Ketabolic Reset program that you can find on our website, eholistichealth.com. It's going to be linked below on the comments. We offer that program as well as keto coaching, so if that's something that you're interested in, be sure to check it out. We've had a great time today, and we hope that you join us next week. Make sure you like, comment, and share this video for a chance to win a Rikenjaks gift card. We'll be giving this away next week, and we look forward to seeing you.